ready for the ultimate festive showdown of hip sway? The GTV Christmas Lighting and Home Decor Festival presents the Borborbor Champion of Champions. Witness culture at its finest as the top 3 troops from the recently ended Borborbor Carnival meet in Accra to battle it out in beats, footwork, lively rhythmic movement, and hip sway. Ali came from Medina, Asobi Unity from Hope, and Elom of Saviupe, who will be crowned that champion. Join us on Wednesday, 17th December 2025 at 5 p.m. at the forecourt of GBC, and before the main event, catch the Borborbor Carnival procession at 3 p.m. sharp, starting from the Kwame Nkrumah Circle. It's a carnival. It's Ghanaian. It's fun. Come and cheer your favorite group to victory. Don't miss the Borborbor Champion of Champions. For inquiries, call 0205 107 705 and 0303 959 604 or visit www.gbcghanaonline.com. Get ready to groove and have a holy jolly time. GTV Christmas Lighting and Home Decor Festival, bringing you the best of Ghanaian culture this festive season.